Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner for Office 365 on a Mac computer, tutorial 16, add a member to a plan. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. That is coming with what's called a business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Applications, All Applications, scroll to Explore all the applications. Now let's go to Planner. Click on Computer Science Videos. And now go to the top right corner of the screen where we have Admin, Members, Filter, Group by Bucket. We are looking to add a member to this current Computer Science Videos plan. If we click on the arrow that points towards the bottom of the screen, that should open up some sort of drop-down menu which will allow us to enter the name to add a member. Let's add in my main account. So that's my name at ComputerScienceVideos.com. And now there are two members that can see the plan and start editing if they wish to. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.